is for apple, a sweet red fruit. D is for bicycle, a vehicle with two wheels. C is for cake, a sweet soft dessert. D is for doll, a toy that looks like a girl or baby. E is for elephant, a big animal with a trunk. F is for fin, a fish is swimming pond. J is for guitar, a musical instrument. H is for house, a place where we live. I is for iguana, a large green lizard. J is for jump, to lift off the ground. K is for kite, a paper toy that flies in the sky. I is for lion, the king of the jungle. L is for milk, a white drink vice. N is for ninja, a fast skilled fighter. Octopus, a sea animal with 8 arms. M is for pumpkin, a big round vegetable. Q is for queen, a woman who rules a country. S is for rabbit, a small animal with long ears. S is for sun, the bright star that gives us light. T is for turtle, a small animal with a hard shell. U is for umbrella, used to protect from rain or sun. V is for eggs, a container for flowers. X is for water and a big juicy summer fruit. X is for X-ray, a photo of bones inside the body. S for yo-yo, a yum chair that goes up and down. Z is for zebra, a black and white striped animal.